Safety acronyms. ACE, any credible evidence. ACFM, actual cubic feet per minute. ACL, alternate concentration limit. ACM, asbestos containing material. Acquire, aquatic information retrieval. ACOP, approved code of practice. ACWM, asbestos containing waste material. ADI, acceptable daily intake. AIP, auto ignition point. AFCD, automatic flue closing device. AFCI, arc fault circuit interrupter. ALARA, as low as reasonably achievable. Alarm, as low as reasonably practicable. ALR, action leakage rate. APCA, Air Pollution Control Association. APR, air purifying respirator. AOC, area of contamination. AOC, abnormal operating conditions. ANSI, American National Standards Institute. APBL, automatic power boom lowering system. AQMP, air quality maintenance plan. ARNEWS, acid rain national early warning systems. ATERES, air toxic exposure and risk information system. ATV, all-terrain vehicle. BACM, best available control measure. BAFO, best and final offer. BATEA, best available treatment economically achievable. BOSIET, basic offshore safety induction and emergency training. BPEO, best practicable environmental option. BSI, British Standard Institute. CAAA, Clean Air Act Amendment. CABA, compressed air breathing apparatus. CAMP, Continuous Air Monitoring Program. CAP, Corrective Action Plan. CCID, Confidential Chemical Identification System. CDM, Construction Design and Management. CEAT, Contractor Evidence Audit Team. CEI, Compliance Evaluation Inspection. CHIPS, Chemical Hazard Information Profile System. CFR, Code of Federal Regulation. COCO, Contractor Owned, Contractor Operated. CNG, Compressed Natural Gas. CONAWR, Control of Noise at Work Regulation. CPC, Chemical Protective Clothing. CPR, Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. CSST, Corrugated Stainless Steel Tubing. DCO, Delayed Compliance Order. DMR, Discharge Monitoring Report. DSE, Display Screen Equipment. EERU, Environmental Emergency Response Unit. EMS, Environmental Management System. EHS, Extremely Hazardous Substance. EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment. ERNS, Emergency Response Notification System. EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. ERT, Emergency Response Team. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. FAFR, Fatal Accident Frequency Rate. FIT3, Fit for Work, Fit for Life, and Fit for Tomorrow. FLT, Forklift Truck. FMEA, Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. FOPS, falling object protective structures. FONSI, finding of no significant impact. FTA, fault tree analysis. GEP, good engineering practice. GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter. GLP, good laboratory practice. GMP, good manufacturing procedures. GMAW, gas metal arc welding. GOPO, government-owned, privately operated. GPR, ground penetrating radar. GRAS, generally recognized as safe. GRGL, ground residue guidance level. GLW, gross laden weight. GVP, gasoline vapor pressure. HACCP, hazard analysis critical control point. HAP, hazardous air pollutant. HAV, hand-arm vibration. HM, hazardous material. HW, hazardous waste. HASAWA, Health and Safety at Work Act. HAVS, hand-arm vibration syndrome. HAZMAT, hazardous material. HAZOP, hazard operability. HAZED, hazard identification. HPHT, high pressure, high temperature. HEPA, high efficiency particulate air. HMIS, hazardous materials identification system. HTP, high temperature and pressure. HWM, hazardous waste management. IAQ, indoor air quality. IDLH, immediately dangerous to life and health. IOSH, Institution of Occupational Safety and Health. IPM, inhalable particulate matter. ITB, invitation to bid. KPI, key performance indicator. LADD, lifetime average daily dose. LEL, lower explosive limit. LEV, local exhaust ventilation. LFG, landfill gas. LFL, lower flammability limit. LOEL, lowest observed effect level. LOLER, lifting operations and lifting equipment regulations. LTA, lost time accident. LTI, lost time incident. LTIFR, lost time injury frequency rate. LLRW, low level radioactive waste. LAST, leaking underground storage tank. MCL, maximum concentration limit. MEDEVAC, medical evacuation team. MEWP, mobile elevating work platforms. MHSW, management of health and safety at work. MHO, manual handling operation. MOE, margin of exposure. MOS, margin of safety. MSDS, material safety data sheet. NEBOSH, National Examination Board for Occupational Safety and Health. NEPA, National Environmental Policy Act. NCR, Non-Compliance Report. NFPA, National Fire Protection Association. NFRAP, no further remedial action planned. NIOSH, National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health. NOEL, no observable effect level. NOIC, notice of intent to cancel. NOIS, notice of intent to suspend. NORM, naturally occurring radioactive material. OHSAS, Occupational Health and Safety Assessment Series. OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. P2, Pollution Prevention. PFAS, Personal Fall Arrest System. POC, Point of Compliance. POE, Point of Exposure. PEL, Permissible Exposure Limit. PPB, Parts per Billion. PPM, Parts per Million. PPT, Parts per Trillion. PSI, Pounds per Square Inch. PTO, Permit to Operate. PTW, Permit to Work. QA/QC, Quality Assurance, Quality Control. RACM, Reasonably Available Control Measure. RCD, Residual Current Device. RDF, Refuse Derived Fuel. REDOR, Reporting of Injuries, Diseases, and Dangerous Occurrences Regulation. RIFS, Remedial Investigation Feasibility Study. ROG, Reactive Organic Gases. ROW, Right of Way. RPE, Respiratory Protective Equipment. RPM, Revolution per Minute. RSI, Repetitive Strain Injury. RTECS, Registry of Toxic Effects of Chemical Substances. RTK, Right to Know. RWC, Roadworthy Certificate. STEL, Short-Term Exposure Limit. Stop Safety Training Observation Program. SBC, Single Breath Canister. SCBA, Self-Contained Breathing Apparatus. SOW, Scope of Work. SPCC, Spill Prevention, Containment, and Countermeasure. SWL, Safe Working Load. TLV, Threshold Limit Value. TSCA, Toxic Substance Control Act. TLVC, Threshold Limit Value Ceiling. TMDL, Total Maximum Daily Limit. TQM, Total Quality Management. TRIP, Toxic Release Inventory Program. TSP, Total Suspended Particulates. TWA, Time Weighted Average. UPEL, Upper Explosive Limit. UFL, Upper Flammable Limit. UST, Underground Storage Tank. UHC, Underlying Hazardous Constituents. UTS, Universal Treatment Standard. VDU, Visual Display Unit. WAP, Waste Analysis Plan. WEHAC, Work Equipment Hazards and Control. WAHR, Work at Heights Regulation. WBV, Whole Body Vibration. WRRS, Work-Related Road Safety. WRULD, Work-Related Upper Limb Disorder. WEL, Workplace Exposure Limit. WWTP, Wastewater Treatment Plan. ZRL, Zero Risk Level.